Hey guys, I have a friend who gave me some bee brood boxes. She had extra that someone had given her. She didn't need, so she passed them along. So I'm going to spray them off today, and I have some spray paint, and I'm going to paint them some bright colors later on today after they dry. So let's get busy. Won't do you much good, I don't think. Don't be so close, Jackson.
Back up front.
I'll have to wait till you get done and then use the regular water hose on them.
Okay.
So we'll just leave them laying there.
Hey, Mom.
So guys, that's the first step and getting all those extra boxes cleaned up, getting ready to paint them, and getting ready for more bees. Hey Bob, what you doing?
Painting your bee boxes. They're getting ready to.
Awesome.
You said you wanted this lip right here not painted on, so I'm taping it up.
Okay, cool. This is one that he's been working on. Isn't that a beautiful purple and a bright yellow? I love it. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
I don't think Dixie likes to smell paint.
Nope, I don't either. I'll touch it up here in a minute. Let it tack. That gloss is too runny. Let's tack.
This is one of the boxes that is already done. How do you like those bright colors? I love it. I cannot wait to see a hive put together with these colors. It's going to be beautiful. I hope the bees like it as much as I do. Thanks, honey, for fixing it for me.